A septic OT is a specially designed operation theater where surgeries on infected wounds, abscesses, gangrenous limbs, or contaminated body parts are carried out. Its design ensures infection control, air containment, and safe disposal of contaminated material. Compass 2. Location and zoning. To prevent contamination of sterile OTs, the septic OT is located at one end of the OT complex or in a separate block. Has restricted entry and exit routes. Maintains negative pressure inside to prevent airborne infection from escaping to clean zones. Zoning. Protective zone corridor/changing area. Clean zone preoperative room. Aseptic zone operating room. Dirty zone dirty utility/disposal area. Toolbox 3. Functional areas. A well-planned septic OT includes scrub area, separate from clean OTs. Anesthesia room. Septic operating room, main theater. Dirty utility room. Sterilization and disposal zone. Separate entry and exit for staff and waste. Wind phase 4. HVAC and air conditioning requirements. HVAC is the most critical part of septic OT to control infection spread. Parameter requirement. Air pressure negative pressure, -2.5 to -5 pascals, compared to adjacent areas. Air changes per hour, ACH, minimum 20 to 25 ACH. Filtration HEPA filter 99.97% at 0.3 micrometers for supply, exhaust with microbial filter. Temperature 20 to 24 degrees Celsius. Relative humidity 40 to 60%. Airflow pattern turbulent flow with exhaust near floor to remove contaminated air. Return air not reused, 100% exhaust preferred. Small orange diamond note, in septic OT, air is not recirculated. All exhaust air is treated before release. SOAP 5. Finishes and surfaces. All finishes must be non-porous, smooth, washable, and resistant to disinfectants. Walls and ceiling, epoxy paint/vinyl cladding, cove junctions. Flooring, anti-static seamless vinyl or epoxy flooring with coving. Corners, rounded for easy cleaning. Doors, hermetically sealed, preferably automatic sliding. Test tube 6. Sterilization and waste handling. All instruments are pre-sterilized and moved in closed trolleys. Used instruments are immediately sent to CSSD, Central Sterile Supply Department, through a dirty corridor. Biomedical waste is collected in color-coded bins as per BMW rules. Separate exit is provided for waste movement to prevent contamination of sterile areas. High voltage 7. Services and utilities. Essential services inside septic OT include medical gases, O2, N2O, suction. Electrical outlets with UPS backup. Nurse call system. Emergency lighting. Fire alarm and sprinkler system. IT and communication system for monitoring. Person standing 8. Staff protocol and workflow. Dedicated staff assigned to septic OT to minimize cross-infection. Separate changing and donning area for staff. Strict aseptic protocols and barrier nursing. Unidirectional movement, entry through clean corridor, exit through dirty corridor. Clipboard 9. Typical PNID/flow description, conceptual. Clean corridor anesthesia room septic OT, negative pressure, dirty utility waste exit. Airflow direction. Clean to dirty, ensuring contaminated air does not move to clean zones. 10. Standards and references. OSHA 170, Ventilation of Healthcare Facilities. NABH Guidelines, India. WHO Guidelines for Surgery. National Building Code, NBC, Healthcare Section. Memo Summary Table. Parameter Septic OT. Purpose infected/contaminated surgeries. Air pressure negative. ACH 20 to 25. Filtration HEPA plus microbial exhaust. Air recirculation not allowed. Location isolated from sterile OT. HVAC type dedicated, 100% exhaust. Finish seamless, washable. Workflow unidirectional, clean dirty.